Welcome back to another guide for using this amazing library app called Hoopla. Today we will show you how to check out or borrow a movie. We're going to start off on the main Hoopla page. One thing to keep in mind is that you have a total of 10 items per month and 3 days to view your movie. One of the first things you'll see as you scroll down are titles that have been recommended for you. So we are going to scroll down even further until we reach an area that says Popular Movies. You can scroll a bit where it says See More, where you can see some other titles under the Popular Movies category. But for now, we're going to just go with the first title that we see here. It's a movie called Bestsellers. Let's go ahead and click that. Here's a quick little synopsis of the movie. This will tell you how long you have the movie available, which is for 3 days. And right here is where you can click Borrow. So let's go ahead and do that. This next window will remind you how long you have the title for and ask you again if you are sure that you want to borrow. So let's go ahead and click Borrow Title. So great, we have now borrowed this title. Below will show you when it is due or if you'd like to return it a bit earlier. So let's go ahead and play the movie by clicking Play. Now we have successfully started our movie. This comes with all the standard options. For instance, you can see the play button and the move forward, both of which would disappear once you aren't touching the screen for a while, or if you go to the full screen mode. So if you want, you could skip forward or backwards 10 seconds at a time, or just move the bar to wherever you want to in the film. Right here, you'll see your volume control and your options to go full screen. Here, you will see 3 options. First one is sort of a help feature that can assist you with different issues you might be having, like if you're having issues with sound or if your video suddenly stopped. You can also check your bandwidth below. The other option next to that is where you could turn on and off your subtitles. You can even go further and increase the size of the subtitle or change the style of font. Here's the option for when you simply want to exit out of this. This will take you back to this screen, and below will give you a reminder date as to when it would be returned automatically. But you can choose to return it yourself, which is what we are going to do now. So you can return an item sooner than you'd have it, but it does not increase the amount of borrows you're allowed per month. That will still be 10. So go ahead and click OK. Now, we are done. Hey, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more how to use Hoopla videos.